Whether we make it official or not, we all use marketing funnels. Howdy folks, welcome to 3 Things Thursday, the weekly newsletter where we talk about 3 things that'll help you grow your inspection company, but in like a fun way. These are the top 3 reasons you should draw out and regularly reference your funnel.
Quick 3-mile run.
Reason number 1, internal structure. Drawing out your funnel allows your team to visualize your entire marketing process. This helps each team member understand exactly what their role is in the process of interacting with clients. Reason number 2, defined goals. Now with each piece of marketing material you produce, you can just look at where that fits into the funnel, and that will make it crystal clear what the goal of that content is. This allows you to focus in on a hyper-specific goal as opposed to trying to deliver your entire pitch with everything you produce. Now you can focus on a specific pain point or a specific relationship that you're establishing. Content that has a hyper-specific goal just performs better. And on top of that, it's a lot more fun when you get to focus on the creative sides of accomplishing this goal, as opposed to just trying to cover all your bases. And reason number 3, refinement. Now when you fall short of a goal at the end of the quarter, you can look back at your funnel and try to pinpoint exactly which part of it isn't performing as well as you'd like. You can establish conversion rates for each stage of the funnel, so it's crystal clear at the end of the quarter when you look back and see which of our conversion rates were lacking, or which of these do we need to up to hit our goals next quarter. And over time, you'll understand what works and what doesn't work, which allows you to actually create a very consistent growth model by just executing each stage and constantly adding and refining to it to push for bigger goals. So what are the first steps of creating your own funnel? Well, first you're gonna need to select a format that you like. You can do this just by Googling marketing funnel, going through images and finding a specific one that feels most similar to what you're already doing. But for companies who focus their marketing efforts primarily on relationships with agents, we actually have created a funnel template just for y'all. And you can get to that in the link below. And then from there, just personalize it to fit your growth tactics and your goals. And then draw it out, share it with your team, and you're ready to go. And that was a disgustingly oversimplification of the entire thing. If you're actually interested in growing your company more efficiently and consistently with things like developing a funnel and referencing that, then you should probably become a Good Bull member. That'll walk you through step by step how to get your company from wherever you are today to being a content powerhouse that's growing with no ceiling. My apologies for the plug, but I'm not sorry because it's actually really valuable. And now while we would love for you to start visualizing your funnel, we would like to visualize you having an excellent rest of your week.